They told us it was just another Mars photo. But someone noticed something NASA didn't want anyone to see. It started quietly, a routine image released from the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter. Rocky terrain, red dust, nothing unusual. Except one detail. The public version looked smaller than usual, cropped, cut tighter than earlier releases. At first, people shrugged it off. NASA crops images all the time, right? For clarity, for focus, for scientific reasons. But then an amateur astronomer decided to compare it with the raw data archive. And that's when things got strange. The original, uncropped image showed more than empty desert. Just outside the frame of the published photo, there was a shape. Angular, symmetrical, and absolutely not natural. It looked nothing like a rock, nothing like erosion. It had edges, shadows, geometry. Within hours, screenshots spread across forums. Reddit threads exploded. People began asking one simple question. Why was this part removed? NASA responded quickly. Too quickly. They claimed the cropped area contained, quote, visual artifacts that could confuse the public. Compression errors, light distortions, nothing more. But the raw file didn't show any glitches. Then something even more unsettling happened. The original archive file disappeared. Links stopped working. Cached versions were wiped. Accounts that had shared the image were suspended without explanation. One researcher claimed he received an email warning him to stop spreading misinformation, even though all he had done was repost NASA's own data. That's when the theories escalated. Some said it was an ancient structure. Others believed it was evidence of past intelligence on Mars. A few went further, suggesting it wasn't ancient at all, that it was recent. Former NASA contractors later spoke anonymously, claiming image cropping wasn't just common practice, it was policy. Certain patterns triggered automatic review. Straight lines, repeating shapes, anything that looked engineered. And once flagged, those areas never reached the public. Officially, NASA denies everything. They insist no images have ever been altered to hide discoveries, that Mars is exactly what we've always been told: cold, empty, lifeless. But here's the problem. If there was truly nothing there, why cut it out at all? And why erase every trace of the original image? Maybe NASA isn't hiding aliens. Maybe they're hiding proof that we weren't the first to visit Mars. Or worse, that someone else was there before us, and might still be.